Welcome back to Conversation by IYC. From regulations to maintenance, finances to crew, a perfectly running yacht depends on mastering every detail behind the scenes. Today, we're talking with our Global Director of Yacht Management, Cassandra Bruno, to explore what it really takes to keep a yacht operating perfectly and how expert management ensures a stress-free ownership experience. Welcome, Cassandra.
Thank you for having me.
So for many yacht owners, management is a behind-the-scenes activity, but from your perspective, why is professional yacht management so crucial?
For most owners, the yacht should feel effortless, but in reality, it's anything but. There's a constant flow of regulatory, technical, financial, and crew-related responsibilities that require active oversight. Professional yacht management, it's crucial because it brings structure, accountability, and foresight. It ensures hopefully nothing is missed, risks are mitigated early, and decisions are made with the full picture in mind, not reactively, but proactively whenever possible.
And how do owners' expectations typically match the actual realities of running a yacht day to day?
There's often a gap, and understandably so. Owners expect reliability, readiness, and a seamless experience. The reality is that a yacht is a highly complex, moving asset with constant wear, evolving regulations, and a large human component. The role of management is to try to bridge that gap, to translate complexity into clarity and ensure that the yacht consistently meets expectations without the owner needing to be involved in all the little details.
So I wanted to touch a bit on compliance. It's obviously a big part of yacht ownership. What do you think are the key areas that owners need to stay on top of?
I would say the key areas typically fall into four categories. Flag state compliance, so vessel registration, surveys, certification, safety management, ISM, ISPS, drills, procedures, audits, crew compliance, a big one, MLC, contract certifications, work rest hours, and environmental and cruising regulations, so local permits, emissions, charter regulations. Each of these evolves constantly, and requirements differ depending on where the yacht operates. So missing even a small element can lead to delays, fines, or large operational restrictions.
Right. Well, you just mentioned international regulations. So how do you ensure that a yacht is meeting those regulations while minimizing the disruption to the operations?
A lot of it comes down to planning and timing. We align compliance schedules with the yacht's operational calendar as best possible, planning surveys, inspections, and audits well in advance, and coordinating them around usage periods. At the same time, we maintain continuous oversight, so hopefully nothing becomes urgent. The goal is to make compliance a part of the operational rhythm.
Right. Proactive, not reactive.
Yeah, not to cause unnecessary interruptions.
And what about technical maintenance then? It can definitely make or break an ownership experience. So what are the most important aspects to manage there?
Three areas stand out. Planned maintenance, staying ahead of manufacturer intervals and known wear points. Warranty tracking, ensuring issues are identified and addressed before coverage expires. And life cycle planning, understanding when major components will require replacement or overhaul. A reactive approach to technical management is where cost escalates very quickly. Proactive planning is what preserves both reliability and value.
And do you have an example of how a proactive technical plan can prevent issues before they become stressful or very costly?
I think a common example is drivetrain or propulsion alignment. If early signs, such as vibration or minor tolerance shifts, are monitored and addressed, you can plan corrective work during a scheduled yard period.
Okay.
If ignored, that same issue can escalate into significant mechanical failures, extended downtime, missed owners' trips or charters, and that's what we're trying to avoid.
And crew is essential to a yacht's smooth operations. How does managing crew, payroll, contracts contribute to a better experience for owners and for captains?
Crew is one of the most critical and complex elements of yacht ownership. Proper management ensures compliance with employment regulations across jurisdictions, accurate and timely payroll, clear contractual structures, and efficient onboarding and offboarding. Where it becomes particularly valuable is when employment and payroll are managed in-house. It allows for greater control and faster response times.
Mm-hmm. And then what are some of the challenges with crew management then that owners are not thinking about?
A few key ones, jurisdictional complexity. So different tax, employment, and compliance requirements, depending on the flag, operating area, and nationality of crew, everything comes into play these days. Retention and morale, especially during busy seasons or refit periods. Performance management, addressing issues early, professionally, can really help to de-escalate anything becoming larger than it needs to be.
Right.
And last minute changes, we're always going to have them, and urgent hires or rotations that still need to be fully compliant.
Mm-hmm.
These are the areas where gaps can quickly create operational or legal risk if not handled properly.
And we've touched on a few elements. So we've touched on compliance, technical, financial, crew management. When all of those come together, what does a perfectly managed yacht look like?
Oh, perfect is a big word.
Yeah, I was going to say,
A well-managed yacht, I mean, should feel seamless.
Yeah.
It's always ready to operate. There are no surprises, technically or financially.
Mm-hmm.
Crew are stable, supported, and motivated. Compliance is fully in place without last-minute pressure. And the owner has complete visibility without needing to be involved in the detail unless they want to be. In short, everything works quietly, efficiently, and consistently, allowing the owner to simply enjoy his vessel.
Just like that.
Just like that.
So before we close, we have the 5 quick fire questions that we do with everyone. Are you ready?
Ready.
So sunrise or sunset?
Sunset.
Salt on your skin or sun on your face?
That's such a tough one. I would go with, sun on my face.
Warm Mediterranean breeze or the Caribbean trade winds?
Caribbean trade winds.
Engines off or cruising at full speed?
Cruising at full speed.
And finally, a destination that you'll never tire of.
The Marquesas in French Polynesia, it's real life Disneyland. I mean, if more yachts went there, I hope they're very respectful of the areas, but goodness, I don't think people know what they're missing before they see these areas.
Well, thank you, Cassandra.
Thank you, Sidney.